Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Bilal Khan. So today I am going to talk about some of the functionalities of the GitHub. So first of all, let's define what is GitHub. So GitHub is an online hosting platform that will take all of your files from your local storage and upload it into the cloud server. So the GitHub is a cloud server that will take all the data that is present in your local storage. So after that, let's write the github.com in the browser. And now it is as you can see that my account is open, and now let's click on this plus button to create a new repository. So now as you can see that I am present in another page, and it is asking me to enter the repository name. I will simply write testing. It is available. Alright, so after that I will not enter the description here, and I will leave the details as it is. So let's click on the create repository button. And now this testing repository has been created, but now it is asking me to enter some of the commands in the terminal here. Alright, so let's see what are these commands. So it is the git initialize, which I have entered in the previous videos. It is adding a file. I have added a bunch of files. After that, it is committing those files, and after that it is creating a main branch. I have created a master branch, but it makes no difference with it. So after that, this is the code, this is the command that is not entered yet. So I will simply copy this and paste it here. Alright. So now let's see what are these commands doing. What is this command doing? See, it is origin. Origin means it's a local storage. So take the origin and add the origin data which is present here into the remote server. So the remote server is the GitHub repository. Alright. So it will take the local storage data that is present in this file folder, and it will add that into the remote server. Alright, so let's press enter. And now if I type git remote v-v, so as you can see that this origin testing link has been created now. So there are two links, one is for fetch and another is for push. So I will show you what are these commands, fetch and push, afterward. So after that, let's write another command, git remote add. Sorry, let's see this command. What is this? Git push origin. All right, git push origin master. All right. So it will take the master branch from here in the files. I have created a master branch. It will take this from the local storage and push it into the repository. So let's press enter. And now as you can see that this master branch is uploaded into this repository. Refresh this page. And now you can see that all the data that is present here is uploaded into this repository. So it has 5 commits. Let's click on this one. And after that I will simply write git log. So as you can see that here are 5 commits also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 commits are also present in this one here right now. So 4 commits were created on 9th March and 1 commit was created on 10th March. So it has only one master branch. So it is perfectly fine and it is successfully uploaded. Alright. So now let's clear this. And after that, there is another question, and it should be solved. And the question is, if a person don't want to make a new repository, he just want to make some files and upload those files into the existing directory. So currently, I made this testing repository from the base. This testing directory was not present before. So I make this repository, and after that I upload all of the files in this testing repository. But what if there is a repository present already, and you just want to add some files there? So how can you do this? So let's open new repository. Let's write github.com/Veinstree repo. So now as you can see that this repository has already been created. It contains only readme file with this text only. Alright, so if I want to make some more changes in it and this, as you can see, that this repository is not in my account. This belongs to Veinstree account. So I'm not able to access this account directly. So how can I access this repository directly? So to do this, I need to make a copy of this repository into my own account. Alright, so after making a copy of this repository into my own account, I can make some changes in this repository. So for making a copy, I will simply click on this fork button, and after that you can see that it is forking this repository. Now you can see that this repository is fetched from the main account to my account. So previously it was belonging to the Veinstree/repo, but now it is belonging to iBilalke/repo. So it is currently in my access. So I can make some changes in it. I can add a file into it. I can delete a file from it. So this is in my access. After that, I will simply click on this code button and make a copy of this link, which is an HTTPS link. So right after that, I will say git clone and then paste this link. Alright. Now as you can see that this repo has folder is present in my local storage. So it has been uploaded here. So now let's clear this, and one thing I want to show you more is simply take this my account repo, which is accessed by my account. Let's take this link, and after that let's change the directory from files to repo. Alright, so now I am shifted from this to this folder to this folder. Alright, so if I say git branch, as you can see that it contains only one branch, that is main. Alright, contains this branch. Alright, so after that I will say git remote add origin and paste the link that I have copied from here. Alright, so currently the account in my own account, the copy of repository will be called origin. Alright, so this is my account and it contains the repository, a copy of the repository, and it will be called origin. Alright, so I added this origin into the remote server. So let's click on it. It is already exists, so let's delete that first. Let's delete this repository. I will simply write git remote rm origin. Alright, after that git remote v. So there is nothing present. Let's type this command again, and now you can see that this repository will be created, git remote v. Alright, so as you can see that two files are present, but now this time it is saying that repo is created link, and one is for fetch and another one is for push. So these belong to origin, means it belongs to my own account. I deleted the testing git because I didn't want, I just made changes here and to show you how you can push those. So I deleted that link, and now I added another link that is called repo.git. Alright. So after that, let's move into the original account, and the original account repository will be called, here I will write git remote add, instead of origin I will write upstream. So the original link will be, account link will be called Upstream. So let's paste it here and type GitHub. Git. Alright, so let's clear this and write git remote v. So now you can see that the origin link is also present and the upstream link is also present. So these two links will be used further. Alright. After that, let's make some changes in this readme file. So what are the changes that I will be making? Let's say I want to make Bilal Khan said that he is teaching Git and GitHub. Alright. So let's save it, and now if I say git status, you can see that this file is modified. Now I don't want to commit these changes. I will first of all create a new branch, git branch, and then the branch name would be Bilal. Alright, and then I will check out from the main branch to the Bilal branch. Now I'm currently switched to a Bilal branch with the modification in the file also. So this file is currently not committed, so I will commit this branch, I will commit this file in the Bilal branch. So after that I will say git commit am for adding it to the staging area and committing it. I will give it a command Bilal. Alright, so this file is added. Now if I say git status, the tree is clean on branch Bilal. And now let's increase this panel size and write git log. Now you can see that this is the initial commit that was created when I cloned this repository, and this is the commit that I recently created. Alright, so now let's clear this, and after that I want to push these changes into the GitHub. Git push origin Bilal, because I'm the main data is currently present, so I want to push another branch, and that is Bilal. Alright, so let's push this, and now you can see that it is successfully pushed with it added a message that I Bilal K Bilal had recent pushes less than a minute ago. Alright, compare and pull request. Now I will simply add a message. Bilal added a message. So create a pull request. And it is checking for availability to be merged. This branch has no conflicts with the base branch. Alright, so now this has sent the request to the main branch. So currently I am not present in this Veinstree account, so the data that I requested, the pull request that I sent to this main account will be accessed by this account member. Alright, so currently I am in my own account, as you can see I Bilal K, but the person who owns this repository will merge all the changes into his own account. Alright, so if I click on this repository, as you can see that nothing is committed yet, because this person has not approved this pull request. So to approve this pull request, I will simply go to the Veinstree account. Alright, so let's go there. So as you can see that I am currently present in the main account, main repository. If I click on this, and now you can see that the pull request is still present. I will click on this pull request, and then you can see a message, Bilal added a message. Let's click on this, and then it is giving me a message that it has no conflicts, and it is also giving me a button because I have access to this branch. So it is giving me this button to merge all the things that were added from this local storage and merge them into this another account, another main repo. Alright, so I will merge this, confirm merge. So now as you can see that these things that I sent request to this main repository is merged. Alright, so this message has appeared after that. So it worked successfully. It has 3 commits. Let's click on these commits. So initial commit, Bilal, and merge pull request. So the merge pull request is not present in my local storage. If I clear this and write git log, so as you can see that one branch and another branch. So the merge pull request is not present because it was merged in the online repository. Alright, so let's move into my own account. Here I am in my own account, so let's click on this iBilalK repo, and then you can see that this the changes that I made into the Veinstree main account, it is not present here. So it has multiple branches right now, but if I click on this Bilal branch, all the changes that I committed are present in the Bilal branch, but if I want to fetch all the changes into the main branch, it is not present. How can I do this? So to do this, there are 2 ways. You can either fetch it using this button. You can press this button and all the changes that is present in the Bilal branch will be merged into this main branch. And there is another way, and that is manually, so I will do it manually. So let's do it. After that I will move to the git checkout main. Alright, so I switch to the main branch, and after that I will write let's say git remote. First of all, let's see git remote v. Both are the origin and upstream is present, and then check git fetch all prune. All right, and then press enter here. So first of all, let's see what is this. Get will fetch the data from the upstream, and then all the data that is present will be fetched, and the prune means the relevant data will be fetched. So let's click on this. So currently it is giving me that it fetched the origin. So after that, I will say git reset hard, and then I will say upstream main. Alright, so let's click on this. After that, git push, and git push will origin main. So as you can see, if I decrease this, all the changes that are all the changes is present in the main branch. If I say git branch, I am present currently in the main branch, so the changes that were in the Bilal branch is present in the main branch also. So I will push those changes, git push origin main. So let's click on this, and now all the changes are merged, are uploaded in the main branch. So let's refresh this page, and as you can see that the data that were not present in the main branch is currently here. Alright. Alright, so it contains also 3 commits: initial commit Bilal and the merge pull request. So it is working successfully. So let's say I want to add another commit here. So I will say Bilal Khan, sorry, Ali. Ali said that he is taking the Bilal's course. Alright, so let's save it, and then if I say git status, the file is again modified, and now I will have to create a new branch for this commit that I have done. I will create a branch Ali, and then I will check out to Ali. The modification is also switched to Ali. After that, I will say that git commit am, and then Ali. Alright, so now it is committed. So if I increase this size and say git log, so currently I'm in the Ali branch. I committed all the things into the Ali, so this is showing me here. So now let's push those changes, git push origin Ali. Alright, so after that enter. These changes are merged. So here it is showing me Ali had recent pushes less than a minute ago. Alright, so let's compare pull request and compare, checking mergeability. It is able to be merged. Alright, so Ali added a message, and with a pull request, now it sent that pull request to the base branch. Alright, so it is working fine, but now the main account, the Veinstree account, will have to approve this message, will approve this pull request, and then the data will be merged into this main account main repository. But if I want to access this in my own profile, how can I do this? I will simply access my profile and click on this repository, open the repo, copy that is present in my account, and here you can see that the Ali branch is still present in my own account. So I can access it here, but I need to go to this main account to include all the changes in here also. Alright, so let's move into this main account. Now let's open this main account repo, and then you can see that here is a pull request. Simply click on this, and Ali added a message. Click on this one, and then as you can see that merge pull request, I will click on it, merge this request, and now this request has been merged into the main account repo. So let's click on this. As you can see that this data, this modification has been added into the main branch. Right? It has only one branch, so this is included into the main branch. So it is working fine. So after that, it has 5 commits. Let's click on this. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. These 3 commands will be present in the local storage, but these 2 commands are not present because it is created in the cloud server or in the GitHub. So these 2 commands are not present in my local storage. It is only specific to this repo. So let's say if I write git log, so currently Ali is present, alright, and the main branch, Bilal branch is present, alright. After that, initial commit is present, alright. So this commit, it belongs to my own account that I have created a copy of the repo. This commit, this branch, commit is present in my own account repo. But these 3 commits like Ali, Bilal, initial commit is present in the main account. So let's clear this, and after that I want to show you another thing, and that is, let's say I want to make some changes from here because I have access to this account, so I will make some changes here, and the changes would be by the name, Ahmad. It is on line 6. So let's remember that I'm adding some changes on the line 6. Ahmad said that he is enjoying Bilal's course. Alright. So this is the message this is a string that I have written on the line 6. So I will commit this, but before committing I will make a branch here, and the branch name would be Ahmad. Alright, and let's give it a message. Ahmad added a message. Alright, so the new branch is created for this one line, and it will be committed, and if it is committed, it will be added into this Ahmad branch. So let's commit it, and now it is able to be merged. Alright, so let's create a pull request. Alright, so it created a pull request, but I'm not merging it because I will be working on another pull request because let's say I'm just trying to tell you that let's say if 2 developers are working on the same file, and one developer made changes on line 6, for example. If one developer made changes on line 6 and another developer also made changes on line 6, so the Git will get confused at which change to accept. So in this way the merge conflict will emerge because the Git is not deciding which change to take first. So to do this, I created a merge request. I created a merge. I added a line into this main account. So this is able to be merged, but I will not merge it. I will transfer to my main account, to my own account, and then I will make another changes into my own account, and then these 2 changes will show me the merge conflict. So how will I resolve this? I will show you there. All right. So now if I click on this my account repo, as you can see that this contains 3 commits and nothing has been changed in the main account. So I will so I don't need to add the Ali message. I will simply just decrease this panel size. First of all, I didn't I didn't fetch those strings because I need to first of all merge those changes of the Ali. As you can see that the commit that Ali made is not merged into the Bilal ke repo. So first of all, I will merge those changes. So let's say git pull. There is another method that you can use. First of all, I will check out main. Alright, I switch to main, and then I will say git pull. Instead of using git fetch and git reset, I will now write git pull upstream main. Alright, so let's click on this, and now you can see that this repo that was present in the Ali branch is now merged into the main branch of the local storage. So now I need to push these changes into the repo GitHub. So let's clear this first, and now let's push git push origin main. So now these changes are pushed. If I click on this, so as you can see that Ali, this string that I have written is merged into the main branch of the GitHub. So I don't need to move to these branches. All the changes are present in the main. So these things are solved. But the thing that I was showing you, I'm going to show you is that I make some changes there. I made some changes in the Veinstree repo, but just to show you how the merge conflict work. So for this purpose, I will add another line, and as you can see that I'm currently on the 5th line, so I will make some changes on the 6th line, because I made those changes on the 6th line of the main repo. So I will also make all these changes on the 6th line of this my account repo. So let's say Khan said that he is not enjoying Bilal's course. Alright, so now let's save it, and if for doing this I will make a branch, git branch Khan, and now check out to this Khan branch. After that, commit those changes and write Khan. All the changes are committed. After that, git push origin main. Alright, so let's push those changes into the main. Let's push, instead of main, I will push the Khan branch. So now you can see that the Khan branch is pushed. If I compare a pull request, say, checking mergeability, able to be merged, create pull request. Alright, so there is no conflict generated here. So there are 2 pull requests. So I need to go to this main repo to merge those pull requests, and it will give me a message there. Alright, so let's go there. So as you can see that I'm present in the main account, so I will click on this repo, and as you can see that 2 pull requests are present. So first of all, Khan and Ahmad added a message. I didn't write Khan added a message. I just left this. So please. So after that, I will. These are the changes that I made on the same line. So let's click on this. Ahmad made the changes, and then if I merge a pull request and confirm merge, pull request successfully merge and close. Alright. Okay. So now if I click on this Khan, it is checking for mergeability, but it is saying that this branch has conflict that must be resolved. So this because the previous branch that I had Ahmad was merged, but now this branch is giving me an error that this has conflict. So resolve conflicts. So now it is showing me two lines. One is for Khan and another is for Ahmad. So it is saying me to merge either one or this one. Alright. So I will say that I will not take a negative feedback. I will say I will take a positive feedback. So I will delete all of these. Alright. And after that, take it also, and okay. So it is marked as resolved. Let's click on this. It is successfully resolved, and commit merge. Now the merge conflict was resolved. Alright, so let's merge this. Khan. Okay. So now this is also merged. Alright, so let's click on this repo, and as you can see that Ahmad said he is enjoying the Bilal's course. So this string has been taken, the negative feedback was not taken. So here are 10 commits. Let's click on this and see. So let's take the commits that are present in the local storage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 commits. Other commits are just relevant to this repository only. So 5 commits. Let's increase this panel size. Git log 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one is initial commit. Alright, so it is ended now. So let's clear this. Stop. So it is working fine. In this way you can resolve the merge conflict. So these are the things that I have shown you. So first of all, I show you how you can push the changes that are present in the local storage into the newly created repository, and then I showed you how you can make some changes in the pre-existing repository. After that, I shown you how you can make a copy of another one's repository and make a copy into your own account, and how you can make changes into your own account and merge those changes into your main account and also the someone else's account. So and the last stage I showed you how you can solve the merge conflict. And I also show you how some of the commands like git fetch, git reset, git pull. So these are the commands that you will be mainly using in GitHub. So these are the things that I have shown you. I hope you will like this video. So if you have any questions in your mind, then I will be happy to answer all of them in all of your questions. So write them in the comment section below. So till then, goodbye.